Alright guys, in the last video we talked about how to draw Lewis structures if you have a hydrogen in your chemical formula. Now we're going to talk about how to draw Lewis structure of ions. So we have right now with us we're going to draw the Lewis structure for I3 minus, which is an ion. So what we first want to do, like anything else, you want to first find the valence electrons. So iodine has 7 valence electrons, and however there are 3 of them, so we're going to have a total of 21 valence electrons. And this, however, this would iodine would only have it would only have 21 valence electrons if it wasn't an ion. However, since this is an anion, which means it's negatively charged, it means it has 1 more electron than a normal I3 compound would have. So what we need to do is we need to add 1 electron, giving us a grand total of 22 electrons. Okay, so now it's the same as before. All 3 of them are the same, so it doesn't matter which one the central atom is. So you're just going to draw your eye, and then your other eye, and then your third eye. Now you've used up 4, so then you're going to have 18 left over. And now you want to place the remaining electrons around the outer atom. So we're going to place 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, minus 12, left with 6. So now the 6 electrons that are left over, we need to place on the central atom, and remember, breaking the octet rule is going to be okay. So once again, we're going to place 2 electrons there, 2 electrons here, and 2 electrons there. Now the X's and the dashes mean the X's represent 1 electron, and the dashes represent a pair of 2 electrons. I showed you this way so you know you can choose whichever notation you want. Now the important thing to remember when you're drawing a Lewis structure for an ion is that at the end, when you're done drawing the ion, you have to draw these square brackets around your Lewis structure, and then put the charge of the ion outside the bracket. So this was I3 1 minus, so we put the square brackets and we put that minus sign to show that we drew a Lewis diagram for ion. And that's all there is to it, folks. Thanks.